Uncle Deke here, another in the series of how to solder. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to solder the battery wires onto a Dean's plug. Okay, what I have here is a Dean's plug, okay, and a fixture supposed to hold billet ends, but that sucks too much of the heat out of it. But I like the fixture for the Dean's plug because it holds it still. Okay, now I've already done it, but I'll show you again. What I want to do here is I'll get it around here where you can see it. Okay, we want to tin the end on the Dean's plug right here, and we'll do the other one. Okay, and then we want to tin the wire like that. And I like to use the alligator clip thingy, and what I'll do is I'll adjust it to where it's one to lay right on top of it. Okay, I'll put me a little solder right on here, and what I'll do here now is I'll move this in and heat up the top one. When I get the top one head up, I'll touch the bottom one. Okay. Look there. Is that a good one or not? Okay, now let's do the top one. I like to do the negative first. It just is more comfortable, and the way it lays is better. Okay. Again, I use the alligator clips because that gets hot. Okay. Get the old solder off of my tip there, and let's get this one hot. Okay, I'm going to keep it hot. I'm going to run it over here. I'm going to get the bottom one hot, and then it's going to go together like that. And we'll put a little bit more solder in it. That. Let that cool real good. Changes colors. On the sides, top, that is a really good solder joint. We slide our heat shrink up over that, heat it up, and we've got a battery connection made up right there. And I didn't have to hold the solder gun on there hardly any time at all to get a really good solder joint. Okay, now I use Dean's plugs, so I can't show you how to do the others. I've got some. I guess I could. I just like the Dean's for some reason. Okay. How to solder the wires on a Dean's plug. And that's some good solder joints right there. That will last. You can tug on that. You can run all kinds of juice through them. How to solder a Dean's joint. Uncle Deke out.